Also, welcome in the name of company Celtra in Slovenia. I hope you will enjoy these all presentations here, and also that you will have some time to explore Ljubljana in this rainy day. So, company Celtra is a printing company from Slovenia, from Celtra. I am the head of R&D graphic new technologies or graphic technologies because I am graphic educated, and we have also IT development, and we integrate all together into our new services and products. Our mission is to combine graphic services and information technology and manage them both. So I believe you will get an idea how to combine normal printing and digital printing, because in last few years we really do a lot of these things in Celtra. So in my presentation, few facts about Celtra. I will present you Celtra's 4 pillars, sales pillar, so sales for production group, I can say, and how we combine print and digital print, our experience with printed electronic, and how we cooperation between Celtra and institutes. Okay, this is just to show maybe where Celtra is located. Right here in Celtra. Celtra is about 70 kilometers from Ljubljana. So Celtra started with a really long tradition, 200 years, more than 200 years ago, with spreading the information through the printed media. We have always been a leading graphic company in the area of our operation. Always very innovative printing house. So from printing house we involved into a global integrator of information. That means that we not just print, but we offer to our customers also services and integrated solutions. That's about history. So started in 1788, and till now it's still working. Our mission is Celtra provides safe data management, and our vision is to be a global integrator of information. So about our 4 sales pillars, we named them pillars, but these are like a product groups. So we are dealing with packaging, business communication, lottery games, and documents. All products are carriers of information. So I will explain just, for example, on one this product how we are looking on this, that we have services, integrated solutions. So first, Celtra start with products. So a lot of years we were just printers. We just print. And then we start also with personalization of different kinds of printed methods. So here we personalized also a passport. And what is integrated solution, then we can offer to our customers also like enrollment system. These are software developing. So enrollment system, border control system, and adding value is going in this direction. For the company, this is very important. So also the knowledge base is Celtra. So till 1990, about most people employed was with graphic and economic education, and then since 1990s have started to employ people also from the field of IT. So information service IT and software developer. As we have good experience with that, because we managed to develop a lot of new services, a lot of new integrated solutions. We started 2 years ago with a new project, printed electronics, where we got some EU money also, and for staging our R&D department. So we also engaged the people from electrical field and from chemistry. So if we go through our 4 pillars and how we combine digital and analog printing or normal printing. So in this business communication system, this is like bills and insurance policies. Also we are printing that technology prescriptions. So we started to print that long time ago and print digitally around 1990. We are using for that laser and inkjet one-color digital printing. But this, due to electronic commerce, this field is slowly dying. So we moved here with our developing further. So recent development in that field is digitalization. So digitalization of documents, data capturing and processing. So we made population census in Slovenia in 2002. E-hiring and print on demand. And future plan in this pillar are invoicing and scan on demand and data capturing. So packaging is also a very important pillar in CETIS. So we produced self-adhesive labels, all kinds of self-adhesive labels for cosmetic, pharmaceutical industry, all kinds of industry, shrinks for beverage and also wraparound labels, which you can see on all these beverages. What we are using here is technology is roll-to-roll flexo printing, also silk screen printing and letterpress printing. Letterpress is dying, so flexo is the most important printing in that field. And what is very important is this narrow web printing process. This is narrow web printing process, so machines are about 40 centimeters wide. And important is that this is we are using UV drying system, so we need the materials which it is possible to dry with UV systems or water-based. We are not using any more solvent-based materials. This is important for us because when right now when we are going with new materials, for example for electroluminescent or OLED, all materials needs to be dry for a few minutes on very high temperature, and that is not possible to do in such process. So what we are doing digital here, we can digital printing serial numbering, barcode, different barcode, also 2D codes, and for that also we are using inkjet printers. So recent development on this pillar is smart label with thermochromic inks. Then some commercial games, braille font for example. So these thermochromic inks, the blue, the T shows blue and the beverage is mode is cold enough to drink. So the future plan in this packaging is also not just to using digital and analog printing, but also to use the functional materials. So, like color change chromatic materials and light output luminescence. So, till now we developing different kinds of indicators, and also we are planning to do some sensors. Also, we are thinking about color printing machine. Although we already have some experience with that machine, maybe we bought one color digital machine too early because we didn't have really good result with that machine. So now we are thinking to use a new digital color printing machine roll to roll for small packaging amounts. So here are some sterilization indicators which we just recently developed. And next pillar is, so we are printing different lottery tickets from scratch off to pull off window, prize game, and also using digital printing for printing awards on here, on this, or below the scratch coating. So here we are trying also with some development with software. So we are trying to do, we are doing ourselves mixed sequel screenings and program to control the readings. So our most important pillar is our documents. Cities has invested a lot in development of these kinds of products, services and integrated solutions. So we are able to produce polycarbonate data page, passport with data page, all kinds of security cards, ID cards, driving license, bank card, health insurance, also stickers like Visa and other security documents. So we are able to print different kinds of security like optical variabilities, holograms, UV fluorescent things. We are also using intaglio printing process for documents. And also a big achievement is, here you can see we also integrate chip into a cover or directly into polycarbonate data page, so electrode chip. We are able to personalize all these documents with different kinds of personalization, like thermal transfer, inkjets, or something like that. But also for polycarbonates, we are using laser engraving process. So we laser image and text, and also we personalize chip or magnetic tape. You can see how here is. This is one click photo. So the software on which is used by photographer to position, object detection, auto-rotate, and everything do with image. But I want to show you here in the next slide the personalization system. So on administrative unit, here they took a picture and a fingerprint, a quality assurance, digital signature, and this data are transferred to a central registry and then back to the cities for electrical and graphical personalization. I go back. So, as I already said, we also develop enrollment station, so for capturing of personal data, image capturing with scanner, and so these are our software solution. And also here are the plan. I'm not so familiar with that. The plan for this our software development in the future. So some cloud solution and integration. So some of our references in last few years, we are paying first money for Slovenia, passport, EU visas, ID cards, driving and car license for Slovenia, security labels, vignettes, which you can see now on the cars, also concepts, census of population, also new Slovenian biometric passport, Slovenian Taco project, ID cards also for Bergen countries, so for Malaysia and Gabon, driving license for Congo, Guinea-Bissau and other passports. So maybe a few words about our department, R&D, new technology. We have two research groups. In first research group, we are dealing with optical variable devices. We want to integrate this into polycarbonate, with thermochromic inks, and with lamination plate and intaglio plate. So we produce in lamination and intaglio plates in cities. We have technology also for do this, and we also offer lamination plates on markets. So the second research group, this is smart printing, where we got some new funds. We start with organic photovoltaics, with some sensors and indicators, with displays. So we already do electroluminescent displays, and we are trying to do first prototype with OLED. And together with today's host, we are developing RFID antennas. So where we are in this project, organic photovoltaic, we try to do first prototypes, but we not succeed till now. We don't have operate prototype. With OLED, so you can see here our first OLED, which we managed to do with spin coating and with inkjet. And what is very important here for us is that we used UV curing active layer. So we are thinking to use our machines and our knowledge about printing with the materials, so with this new materials, so we want to use UV curing materials as this will be possible. Then with sensors and indicators, so I already showed you, we have some sterilization labels or some indicators, and right now we are trying to get a market for that. Very important is for us to get to have a market. We start with these new things. We didn't know them, but now first we do some development, and we will go further to discover the needs of industry. And already we indicated that these different temperature indicators are useful for the industry to process their controls, their process, to control their process. Then we are also doing this RFID antenna with antenna designing and antenna printing. So I will show you maybe one of our things there. with electroluminescent display, we made first displays, first products.
If you close down the presentation, it's probably running in the back.
Okay.
Those are the presentation problem.
So we made first products. We have problem with durability. When we test on durability, we think they are not good enough to be outside. For inside application, the air displays are okay. And we want to change silver with some material which is not so expensive, so we are going on that field. And the durability, so silver adhesion to the eye is not so good as we want to be. Maybe we will be able to show you one of our panels.
So, take a break and see.
So maybe just to finish the presentation that so we are working a lot with institute now, and I believe in Slovenia this connection between institute and industry was not so good in the past, but with these requirements of EU funds, they require the connection between institute and company, that is good, and really it lasts for a year. I want to thank Marta because she came first to say this and invite you us to cooperate with them. I think this will be good for industry for the future. And if we will be right, we will see the So this is our first air electroluminescence first panel, which is inserted. So first illuminated side of print, we named that, and so I hope also the market will be for that kind of product. And that's all from my side. Thank you.